Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet another episode of the Good Brain Pod by us. Today we have a GBPJPY bullish range expansion idea for you guys. I did share with you guys before the week started that I am actually bullish on the GBPJPY, and I actually do think in one of my videos I did actually give this exact idea, right? Essentially, I wanted price to drop into around the 169,328 region, right, before heading higher to around 172,500. I have entered this. I have entered the trade, sorry, during the Asian session because GBPJPY sometimes tends to be volatile and tends to expand during the Asian session. I also have comfort in knowing that many of the times when we do form a high or low during the Asian session, we do respect it, right? Obviously, this depends on a lot of things, right? You have to perform a multi-time frame analysis and actually ensure that you are not just hoping that certain levels hold, or you are not just hoping that the Asian level is the one that holds price, but instead you do have confluence as to why you do think that your Asian low of the day may hold, right? So today we do have fundamentals which should inject a bit of liquidity into the marketplace at 1 p.m. Central African time, which is my time. We have the Bank of England interest rate decision. I am expecting the BOE to raise rates, right? And as a result, I'm expecting the GBPJPY to actually keep on trading higher as a result of this hike. What else do we have? We have at half two initial jobless claims for the US dollar. Okay, so guys, now this is my plan. Okay, let me just open up my planner. Right, plan trades for the week, risk cap of 3.5% before dropping lots. A tip for you guys, right? I have been through quite a number of forex challenges before, right? The one thing that I will advise you guys to do, which I never really did, is be defensive, right? Try your level best, if anything, to apply for a free retry of the challenge. If you actually let yourself draw down to over 5% to 6%, 7%, the likelihood is you are going to blow the challenge, right? Because you also have time pressures along with just trading in itself being a challenging thing to do, right? So I have 3 trades planned for the rest of the week. GBPJPY bullish expansion, which I have entered. And then I have an XAU bullish expansion idea to execute at the London Open. I actually did enter gold longs yesterday. We did have quite an aggressive expansion, but I was then taken out at break even. And then the very last trade, which I will take for the week, will be my Dow Jones. Now, if I take a loss on GJ and if I take a loss on gold, I will be entering Dow Jones at 0.5% risk, right? And go for a 1:3, recover about 1.5%, before maybe increasing my risk back to 1%, depending on the setup, right? Again, guys, this is just to make sure that we are at an advantage here, right? We have certain rules on our sides, right? Yes, we have the pressure of minimum trading days, but you can actually ensure, right, that you are not a victim of your own over trading tendencies, for lack of a better word. If we get onto the platform, right, this is how our position is actually looking, right? And really my target is around 171,530, right? I should actually drop it to around 171,500 because it is good to trade off big figure levels. And then shortly I did mention gold, and that I will be looking for gold longs today. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and just before we leave, let me just show you the state of the account. We are negative 1.15% in drawdown, which really isn't a big deal with 27 days left, right? Net profit or net loss 1.40. I'm guessing this includes the equity drawdown from the currently open trade, right? So we are in 1.20 percent drawdown, and then the win rate, don't really mind it because your win rate can be determined by 2 trades, right? And then this is my trade history as it is. I have shared with you guys that I did take a loss on USA 30 shorts, right? Which was kind of sad because then USA 30 then sold off, right? So for today, we're not going to touch it. And then these are the gold longs that I'm telling you guys about. I got stopped out at $6 after floating a significant amount. But then again, I was going for 1:5 risk to reward ratio. So I actually wanted to be systematic about things. So what I did is that I put my stop loss at entry and tried to let it run risk free. And so because of that, we left to trade another day. So far, guys, not too bad from a risk point of view. I will keep on updating you guys. This will be the first video for today, actually. I'll try and put out an update video. I think just after the initial jobless claims report. Otherwise, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. Thank you and have a profitable trading day.